You're welcome to the ACadeMiqPlus channel, where we give you all that you need for a wow presentation, assignment, and the likes. We keep it simple for you. According to Da Vinci, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Today, we are looking at bar chart. How do we create bar chart? The first thing to do is to highlight the data and go to the Insert button on Excel. We are using the Excel software. When you click the Insert button, you see chart. You go to the very first chart with the description, insert column or bar chart. You click on it. You see the different format: 2D, 3D, 2D bar, 3D bar. We click on the simplest one, which is the 2D bar, and this is what we have. We have our bar chart already. To include the axes, the X and Y axis, we click on this plus button and we check the axis title. So let's start with the chart title. We can change the chart title to product, consumption, unit. We can change the axis title to consumption in unit. We change the x-axis to different product. To make it more attractive, we can carry out some formatting. Let's click on the chart area. We go to the format plot area. Click on the bucket and fill. We can change the color. If we want the color, we click the solid and we pick the color of our choice as the background. Let's pick this. You can see we can also change the gap width for the bars. We can reduce, we can increase, anyhow we want it. It has been increased. We can change the color of the title by clicking on the color bucket. Can change the color of the title. Let's pick the light green. We can increase the size of the chart, the bar chart. We can change the designs by clicking the design, and we go to the chart tools. You can change the design of the bar chart. You can see here we have a bar with the corresponding consumption in units on the bar itself. We can look for other designs. It's another design. We can also add the data to the bar chart itself by clicking on the quick layout. You can see we have the data itself on the bar chart. You can see for salt we have 660 units, and you can see the representative bar. We can also add the trend line to our bar chart by clicking on the trend line, by going to add chart element and clicking on the trend line. You can use the linear, and this is what we have. We can also add some glow to bar chart. Go to the format and change the color on the x-axis. This color is too overwhelming. Color to something brighter and clearer. We have it. We can do the same for the y-axis. Can change the color. We want red also. We can also change the title color. Yellow is, let's have another color. Yeah, beautiful. Can outline the title with a shade of purple. And we have that. Can see our chart. Beautiful, clear. We can add shape effect. Go to format, click on shape effect. Look at the one that we want. Yeah, you can see the effect. Isn't that beautiful? So we have a beautiful and colorful bar chart. We can have our bar charts in other formats. Let's highlight the data. Go to insert. So let's look at the 3D bar chart. This is the 3D bar chart. We can change the title to product consumption unit. Also, we can add the axis by clicking the axis title. So we have consumption in units, and for the x-axis we have different products. So we have a 3D bar chart. We can go to design to see different designs. This is a design. This is another design. We have several designs. You can just play around the different designs. They are all beautiful. So these are the different designs. To carry out additional formats, we can look at the format, click on format, can click on outline. We click the bars, click on format, click on outline. We can give the bars, we can outline the bars with different colors. So we have that. We have the yellowish outline on the bars. Then we can go back to format. We can actually change the color of the bars to a different color if we like. Let's look at purple. Yeah, been able to change the bars color to purple. So many things can be carried out. Then we have the shape effect. Let's go to the preset. Let's look at this. You can see this shape effect. Looks cylindrical. So we have our 3D bar chart. Okay, now we can try additional formatting. The first thing to do is to highlight the data, go to insert and click on the bar. So we can try it. Okay, let's move this out of the way. So we have our 2D bar chart. Okay, we can try some other design. You can see this design. See this one. You can see this one. See this one. Okay, can remove this. We don't need it. Click on it and remove this. We don't need it anymore. We may decide to put the axis title, or I think it's okay the way it is right now. You can change the chart title to product consumption units. We have a 2D bar chart. Let's try some additional formatting. Go to format, the shape fill. Let's try some colors. See this color blue. You see this color. It's light green. See yellow and red. Yeah, this is what we have. If we want to fill the entire background with the same color, or if we don't want to fill the entire background with the same color, we can leave the outer space with different color while the background of the bars actually has different color. You can actually go back, and this is where we started from. Click the background for the bars. Click on format. Then we can play with different colors. You can see it's only the background of the bars. The entire space is not filled with this color. You can change the colors. This yellow, very bright. Then let's look at red. Okay. What next can we do? We can still go to shape fill. We can try the different gradients. Let's see the lighter shade of red and the darker shade of red. It's nice. And till here, we can try the different texture. We can try the different texture that we have. Let's look at this green. You can see it's lovely. Let's look at another one. Still on texture. You can see this. Look at this brown. Very lovely. Let's still see what more we can do. We can actually add a picture. You can get a picture. Wow, subscribe. So I'm using this opportunity to ask everyone who is here to subscribe to our channel, ACadeMiqPlus. Please do subscribe. Oh, this is beautiful. You can see, subscribe. So what more can we do? Let's work on the bars themselves. We can change the colors. See, very beautiful. Blue, black, gray, different colors. Beautiful. So let's use this. What more can we do? We can have the bars outlined with a different color. Let's try color green. That is done. But to make it visible, we can increase the weight. You can see the outline is quite visible now. You can increase depending on how you want it. I think this is good. What more can we do? Let's go to gradient. Let's try the gradient. See, a lighter shade of the wine color, a deeper shade of the wine color. What more can we do? Can change the texture of the bars. You can see. Can change the texture of the bars. See another color or different texture. Look at this. Alright, we have that. So we've gone back to the wine color. Gone back to no outline. So what more can we do? We can decide to give this a nice color too. A nice color. We can decide to give the background showing the different products a nice color. Either red, yellow, green, blue. Let's pick red. It's beautiful. We can also decide to give the title a different color, be green. Let's try another color, the orange or yellow. Okay, let's change it back to yellow. So what we have on the bar, let's look at shape effect. Let's go to presets. Let's look at the effect of that. You can see the lighter shade adds some glow. Let's check this. We can carry out certain formatting on the bars. We go to format data points. We look at the gap width. We can increase or decrease the bars. You can see
has been increased. We can decrease the bars. Now we can increase the bars. So we have the bars increased. You can add some glow on the bar also individually as you want it. You can see the different effects. You can see our beautiful 3D bar chart with the corresponding bars showing the product and the consumption in unit. If we've been able to add value to you, please endeavor to subscribe to our channel, ACadeMiqPlus. Please do not forget to click on the notification button and the like button. Look forward to video on Instagram.